Hi everybody, Jeff Wilson with Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today I'd like to present to you a 2013 Bay Star by Newmar. This is a model number 3012. Fantastic coach. Let's take a look inside. So first things first, for certain the interior room and the lounge area of the coach is fantastic. Newmar does an excellent job with their slide out systems, fully self-supporting. And you do have a certain amount of vinyl that's easy to keep clean, sweep it out, with a little bit of carpet going in there as well. So your booth dinette, easy access in and out, and then a full length sofa. So very much comfort in this coach. In the kitchen area, nice sized countertops, good preparation space. And then we do a 3-burner cooktop. So overhead we've gone with a large capacity convection and just easy meal preparation. Nice double basin sink with the sink covers. Then they can double as your cutting board as well. Here they've done a little countertop extension, so if you want that extra space, you've got it right there. And then let's just see, yeah, nice deep cabinetry. So you can go full-size plates, more over here, and that goes all the way back in there. So overall good cabinet storage. Nice full extension drawers. And those aren't going to come popping out when you're going down the road because they've got nice good latches there to keep them in. So kitchen area, if you want storage, this coach really offers the storage. Super duper in the kitchen area. So we're ducted throughout the roof line in your air conditioning system, and that's also a quiet air conditioning system because we're not looking at the bottom of the box. To the cockpit area, and both these captain's chairs will spin around and so kind of become part of this lounge area in the back. Full power seat on this side for the captain, and that's a flex steel. Real nice job they've done on the finish and the ultra leather on the chairs. And then a nice backup camera. This coach also has the side view cameras. When you use a turn signal, then that's going to show you down the right side if you're going right and left side if you're going left. Plus you can manually override that to the system. Hydraulic level up system with an automatic feature. So easy to get the coach leveled up once you get to camp. And then let's take a look back here in the back. King size bed. Now here you go in the bedroom area. A little more room. And then super wardrobe. So great big wardrobe there. And another on this side. Plus some built-in drawers. And you'll have a place for everything. And they also have a TV in the bedroom, so if you want to catch the news late at night, you've got that right there. Easy to use. Bay Star really does it right with their insulation packages. They're using 2 different types of insulation with the high density foam block insulation and the fiberglass insulation, so you get a maximum insulation package. And then outside, we can step back and take a look. A full body paint coach in the Bay Star. It's got the awning topper over the slide out and a full power awning to the main part of the coach here. So a good length power awning. Nice paint colors in that combination. And then underneath we've got excellent storage boxes. So we can bring everything along. You know you're going to fill those up. And then around to the other side. Nice fiberglass rear cap. And then more storage here, with then more storage and access under the slide out. Again, awning topper over top of the slide out. So when you're done with camping, it'll just knock the debris right off the slide as it's coming in. Easy to use. So super coach, lots of life left in this one. 2013, so what, we're 4 or 5 years old on that one right now. Take advantage of a great buy, not brand new. Come see us at Guarantee RV Supercenters.